Welcome to another teacher tip with Mr. Long, and we are looking at the LiveCloud website, a really useful website if you've got a data projector or a computer monitor that's connected to the class so the class can see it, so that you can do some really nice things with your classes. And we've done some videos on the previous features. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the name picker and the group maker. As I said before in the previous videos, I really like this website because you don't need to register. It's free to use and it's quite easy to set up. So let's look at the name picker option. If you want to pick a random name, maybe you do in orals or you want to pick a random student in the class, this is a fun way to do it. It adds some dynamic aspects to it. So it'll give you an option where you can add the names. I've added a whole bunch of names already, but you can add more. So if we're going to add Mr. Long to the list, so you can just add them and you can delete them and so on. And you can use a fast choice, but I like the dynamic version of just choosing one name. And let's look at what it's going to do. It's going to choose one random name. So click on it. And it's going to go through and randomly pick a name. It slows down, and our winning person is Tando. There we go. So Tando, it's your turn to come up and do your oral. So a really nice way to do it. And if you want to choose again, but make sure that we don't choose Tando again because he's had his turn, you can click on choose unique. If you click choose again, it'll choose from the list of names and it will include Tando in that list. So let's click on choose unique, and there we go. Who's next? Who's doing the oral next? And it is Kukle, your turn. You must come up next. Okay, so there we go. So a really nice little way to add some dynamic aspect of choosing a particular name in a class. So that's really useful. So we're going to go and try the other option, which is the group maker. Maybe you want to create groups. It'll give you the same list of names and you can specify how many groups you want to create. So maybe we want to get 5 groups. So I'm going to select 5 groups and I'm going to click on create groups, and it will randomly create those 5 groups with evenly distributed. Obviously the last one will not have the same number as the others if you don't have a nice spread, but every group has 4 people and it's randomly generated. And if we can return, we can actually go and create it again and it'll be a whole different list of names. So you can do that. You can even click on the print option over there if you want to print this list. So that is the group maker, which is quite a nifty little feature. Later on, we will talk about when students can join and interact with your lessons. And when they do that, they will already be added over here that you can actually just add their names to the list. So you don't even have to type them in there. So that is the group maker. We're going to go back to the home page. Let's leave this. And so, as I said, that's the group maker and the name picker, which is really useful for some fun stuff in your class. For the other LiveCloud features, go to our YouTube channel and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out when we post the next video. And remember to share us with your friends so we can help them too. And remember, don't do it the long way, do it the Mr. Long way.